Here we are, bro. Just another day at the unit. Trying to do a radiator relocator kit. Gonna replace the oil cooler, do a few little things to this. Try to get this Rincon up and running. It's had a lot of issues, completely the whole front end and everything like that. So yeah, this thing is gonna be up and running very soon and looking badass. I'll visit this guy. 2005, probably never cleaned once. First time this radiator's ever been moved. It's horrible, man. Oh my God.
We're getting a new radiator, so don't worry about me messing up the fins.
Yeah, definitely a concern.
This is just temporary, this radiator.
That is so caked in there, man. 5W40. We saw online that this is going to help the overheating issues in the Honda Rincon. So hopefully we'll see what it does. It says it's meant for diesel engines, but you know what? We're pretty diesel over here. We got this.
Here we are at the car wash. Going to be washing all this nasty cake off. These radiators and the oil cooler. Wow, those things are filthy, man. Look at all that water that's down there. Oh man, those radiators are filthy. When you guys go riding, make sure to wash the radiators, otherwise you're gonna be just like us, having fully removed them, keep the clean. Definitely worth it though if you want better cooling. Which we want better cooling. This Rincon is notorious for heating issues. Yeah, we got this. So we're still trying to do this radiator relocator kit, and unfortunately the couplers that come with it that we're supposed to connect the hose to the other hose, they don't fit the inner diameter of the hose. So now we got to go all the way back to, I think we're going to Home Depot just so we can get these plastic couplers. Like, always double check the parts that come with your machine, because you never know if it's the right parts. Manufacturing errors might happen. These things do happen. Clearly we're dealing with them right now. So we're gonna go back to Home Depot like we were there before, but you know, when do you ever work on cars and that's the only time you ever have to make a parts run, am I right? So we're gonna go to Home Depot. See you guys there. So we have the right couplers now. Turns out my boy Lewis just misplaced them. Here it is, we're basically done. Wild bore radiator relocator kit. Lewis is just doing the final touches. Had to put the oil cooler there for right now. Temporary, we're gonna put it where it actually belongs. It's looking good.
Waiting on the hoses.
I like it. Hopefully it does solve this overheating issue.
Oh, it will.
I mean, it definitely should. You saw how caked that last one was?
Yeah.
Oh my God. But yeah, that's it, I like it. So here we are, guys. Finally finished it. Idling. Look how nice that thing looks. Oh man, sorry about the messed up storage unit. It's kind of messy. We still gotta organize it a bit, but wow, look at that quad. It looks like a piece. So that's about it. That's gonna wrap up this video. Next video is gonna be us definitely outside riding with it, and oh man, it's gonna be great. This guy really hasn't had the chance to take it out like that, because last time he took it out was having a lot of overheating issues, but now, all of that should be solved. So I can't wait to go out there. I hope you guys are watching the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for the support. Keep liking our videos, keep subscribing, keep commenting. You guys are the best. Thanks for watching the Bike Corner. I'm out.